Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy S22. I got the 128GB model in Phantom White, and the phone came free with this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm in black. This is the Wi-Fi only model. I got these two from Urban Republic in Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur. And apart from that, I also did go to the Samsung store right over there to pick up a smart Clearview cover for the phone, a 25-watt power adapter, as well as a pair of Galaxy Buds too. So I'll be unboxing this, and this in this video. And for these two, it'll be a separate video. Okay, so let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, S22, Galaxy S22. Samsung on the right, nothing on top. On the left, Galaxy S22. The color of this Galaxy S22 as well as the S on the front of the box, they are color coded to the color of the phone that you get. Since I got the Phantom White phone, these are in white. On the bottom of the box, you have the size, the RAM, the color, barcode, serial number and all that stuff. And on the back of the box, you have some information regarding the box and distributor information, so on and so forth. So there are two tabs right here to cut before getting inside the box. Okay, so let's lift the top off. And the phone is right on top. It does look quite nice, I believe. There we have the phone. Let's put this aside. Here we have an extra sticker. Samsung. SIM ejection tool. And right in here, we have the paperwork, warranty card, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so let's do a first boot up of my new S22. Welcome, English United Kingdom. Sorry, I had to turn off the ring light so the screen doesn't flicker. But yeah, let's start again. It says welcome, English United Kingdom, start. For your review, end user license agreement, privacy policy. Okay, that's all for this one. Agree. Permissions for Samsung apps and services. Okay, that should be fine. Agree. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay, next. Connected. Next. Checking for updates. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Checking info. Okay, so let me just sign into my Google account. Okay, so I've entered my Google account information. Now, Google services, back up to Google Drive. Nope. Use location, okay. Allow scanning. Right. The rest is fine. Accept. Protect my phone. Fingerprints. Okay. Continue. Okay, just gonna do a pin. Okay, so I've done the pin, so let's do the fingerprint right now. Okay, the fingerprint has been added. I can add more, but next for now. Access your assistant with Hey Google. More. Okay, skip for now. Access your assistant without unlocking your phone. More. Skip for now. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Okay, get recommended apps from Samsung Smart Tutor. Nope. Next. Samsung account. Let me just sign in. Okay, I just realized I can't sign into my Samsung account because I don't have my Note 10 with me to verify the account itself, so I'm just gonna skip for now. Yep, skip. You're all set up. Finish. Explore your Galaxy. And you can also find tips info in the tips app later. Okay, finish. And there you go, it's all set up. Okay, so let's unbox the 25-watt power adapter. Right here we have the paperwork. And right here we have the charger itself, as well as the USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so lastly, let's unbox the Samsung Smart Clear View cover. I got the one in black. Paperwork for the case. And here we have the case itself. Okay, so let's put the phone inside. And there you go. Does feel quite nice. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy S22 128GB in Phantom White. Thanks for watching and goodbye.